BMR TV road reviews are not only about the facts and figures, the route map, my impressions, but you get to see it for yourself. So sit back and enjoy.
Hello there, crew. Today I'm going to show you Highway 47 in northwestern Oregon. One of the best roads, full stop, that I've ever done. It is an amazing section of road. Last time I was here, it was covered in a lot of gravel and crap. There was stuff all over the place. It really made it a mess. Couldn't really enjoy it very much. But today, I'm hoping it'll be all cleared up. The first section, as you leave CLATSKANIE, is a bit of a residential area, so you take it kind of easy. It's very much the calm before the storm. Knowing what lies ahead, keeping things down at the speed limit is really quite difficult. Once you get through all this, you can really ride at the posted speed limit. When you see this sign, you know you can kind of open it up a little bit. But Highway 47 doesn't really start for a little while yet. There's a house just up the hill. It's sort of the official start to Highway 47, and it starts to get really good after that. And there it is, the official start of Highway 47. Looks like he's done a lot of work on this place. Looks nice. Cool pond. Now, during the weekdays, Highway 47 is a working road. There are a lot of logging trucks and dump trucks that cruise back and forth using this route, so you gotta stay on your toes. Since this road doesn't really go anywhere, you won't see a lot of people commuting to and from the coast on it. But during the nicer months, you will see quite a few bikes up here. I know what you're thinking, it's just a little bit of a sweepy mountain road, what's the big deal? But I promise you, it's going to get good. Wow, we gained 500 feet pretty quickly. This upper section was repaved last year, and it is absolutely glorious. Probably the best pavement I've ever been on. No way am I sitting behind this guy. Not today. Sorry I didn't show you the view. A little busy. Ooh, there, fella. Told you gotta keep your eyes open. This corner always has gravel on it. People just cut this thing and it just leaves crap all over the road. Every time. This short little stretch is a good opportunity to relax for a second and take a breath. But make it quick. Apex is over there. So good. At the very top there's a couple of homes, so I always try to dial it back and take a few moments just to enjoy the scenery. Halfway. There's a view for you. That's kind of nice. Now that we've hit the crest, the rest is all downhill. I don't mean downhill as in bad, in a good way. Downhill grades never show up on the video well, but trust me, this is fairly steep. And when you accelerate between corners, you pick up speed rapidly. The tightness of the corners means the trucks tend to clip the inside and it spews crap all over the road, so pay attention. Wow, look at that pile of rocks. Alright, last section. Here we are entering the outskirts of mist. Highway 47's really good bits are behind you. Of course, you can always turn around and do it again. So, what are my thoughts on Highway 47? Fantastic road. You've got to come and try this route. If you're anywhere near this area, make sure you include 47 and experience it for yourself.
Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and be sure to click the bell icon so that you get notified when new videos come out. If you'd like to join the BMR TV crew and support me by throwing a couple of bucks my way, links are in the description below. And until next time, get out and ride.
I can feel the adrenaline.